Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like life is just a series of level ups? You go from building Lego towers as a kid to finally assembling IKEA furniture without crying. You move from your old Game Boy to getting lost in a VR headset. You graduate from sleeping on your parents' couch to maybe, finally, having your own little apartment. We're constantly told to grow up. Get the degree, start the job, find the partner, buy the house, save for retirement. It's like a video game, and we're all just trying to reach the next level. But here is something I've been thinking about. Have you ever wondered if growing up is really the same as growing? Growing up often feels like checking boxes off a list. It's about achieving those visible milestones that society nods at and says, "Yep, they're an adult now." Graduating, getting that first real job, owning a car, these are the tangible markers of adulthood. There's a certain comfort in this path, right? It's predictable, it feels safe, and it offers a clear sense of accomplishment. And let's be real, there is absolutely nothing wrong with stability. Having a steady career and a home to come back to are amazing things. But if we only focus on these external achievements, we risk missing out on something far deeper and more personal: genuine growth. Growing, on the other hand, is an inside job. It's driven by curiosity, by learning, by discovering who you are beyond that list of life milestones. It's often messy, it's unpredictable, and it's wonderfully, beautifully human. Growing might mean learning to cook a new cuisine at 35, trying salsa dancing just for the fun of it, or finally taking the time to truly understand a friend's perspective that you used to dismiss. It's less about what you have and so much more about who you're becoming. Think of it this way: growing up is like following a recipe exactly. You measure everything perfectly, follow each step, and bake a cake that looks just like the picture in the cookbook. It's satisfying, it's reliable, and it feels safe. You know what you're going to get. But growing? That's like experimenting in the kitchen. It's tossing in some unexpected spices, trying weird ingredient combinations, and sometimes failing spectacularly. You never quite know what the result will be. Some of your creations will be amazing, others will be a total flop. But the process itself, the experimentation, the learning from your mistakes, teaches you more than any perfect cake ever could. Every experiment makes you a better, wiser, and more creative person. Sometimes, the immense pressure to grow up can actually smother our ability to truly grow. We get so caught up chasing promotions and awards that we forget to nurture our hobbies. We spend our weekends meticulously maintaining our homes, but skip the spontaneous coffee dates and adventures that actually enrich our lives. When we follow the life blueprint too rigidly, we can miss the simple joy of discovery, the thrill of creating something, exploring a new place, or just trying something new for no other reason than pure curiosity. So what happens when you've ticked all the grown-up boxes? You've got the stable job, the house, the car. You've achieved everything you were told you should. And yet, there might be this subtle feeling of emptiness, a quiet whisper in the back of your mind. That's your inner self saying, "Hey, I want to grow." It's the part of you that craves learning, creating, connecting, and exploring. Not for awards, not for social approval, but simply because it brings joy and vitality to your life. This is where the magic happens, when you learn to merge both. It's about being a responsible adult while also nurturing that inner sense of curiosity and wonder. It's not a choice between growing up and growing. You can, and should, do both. So how do you start? It begins with small shifts in your mindset. Instead of asking yourself, "What should I be doing at my age?" try asking, "What sparks my curiosity today?" Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, start viewing them as opportunities to learn something new about yourself and the world. Go ahead, take that photography class you've always joked about. Pick up a book on a subject you know absolutely nothing about. Start a conversation with someone whose life is completely different from your own. These small acts are like watering your inner garden. They might not boost your bank account or earn you a promotion at work, but they cultivate resilience, empathy, and joy. They keep your spirit alive and vibrant even as the years go by. Don't let the growing up checklist become a cage. Instead, use it as a foundation, a stable base from which you can explore, experiment, and reach even higher. Tend to your inner garden with the same care and attention you give to your career, your home, or your relationships. Because a truly successful life isn't just about the milestones you hit. It's about the person you've become along the way. It's about the stories you can tell, the skills you've honed, and the meaningful connections you've nurtured. It's about getting to the end and knowing that you didn't just grow up. You never, ever stopped growing. Thanks for spending these moments with me. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear your own experiences with growing versus growing up. So please share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more conversations about life, curiosity, and growth. I'll see you in the next one.